Welcome. Here is how to remove these X's from your file on your computer. First, click on your folder, then go to Home. In Home, right-click on the personal name, then look downward. You will see Show More option. Click on Show More option. Then look all the way down to Settings. This is actually for Windows 11. For Windows 10, you don't need to go to Show More options. You'll just see the settings directly. Now click on Settings and to take you to this part. You can see your storage is full. That's why you have been getting these X's, these red X's. So what this simply means is that your storage is full. Now there are two options to choose from. You can either upgrade. Upgrade means you're going to get more access to larger space, or to stop synchronizing your OneDrive. Let's move to the second option, as I don't intend upgrading. Now click on Account, then you have Unlink this PC. Click on it. Once you unlink the account, you can see it's already clearing up. For the sake of the ones that might not be cleared up immediately, what do? Minimize this, then right click and click on Refresh. This will refresh the files and applications on the system. You can see that there are no more red X's. They are all wiped off. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe for more of such videos.